hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are searching for how to make posters, flyers using the mobile smartphone, you are in the right place. Just follow me through, and if you do like this video, give this video a thumbs up. So let's get this started, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we begin. The app we use is Pixel app. So this is what we are going to try to achieve. Okay, so we set it to default to start again, then we'll delete this up. So now we're getting started. Okay, first is we'll bring in the image for background. Okay, I have it already, so I'm going to provide it in the description below. Okay, so just check it out. Okay, this is it. So I just select, I click on it. Okay, so you can come right below at this tab. Then I want to change the size to the custom. Okay, just square. Okay, so now we have the background. Then you can just adjust some settings here on the Vignette. Okay, adjust things. Okay, just to make your work look beautiful and all that. Okay, so now click on the plus icon, then click on shape. Then I'm gonna pick a cycle. Okay, just watch me. Now I'm going to kind of enlarge it. I'm gonna try to enlarge it. Okay, okay, just watch me. Okay, you can see, watch me. Okay, you can see. Okay, the Vignette is showing, so I reduce it a bit. Okay, you can see that. Okay, now here we go. Amazing. You see, that's just it. Then we give this also a color. We give it a color. Same thing, just click here, look at this tab below, then click on texture. Then I want to pick the color I want to use. Okay, this is it here. It's going to be available in the description. Okay, so just check it. You can see that. So then click on the check icon, then come to emboss to give it some bit of sparkling and all that. Okay, so you just make sure it's not too bright. Okay, just okay, don't want it to be too intense. Okay, so that's it. Then you come to stroke, then just stroke it. Okay, so it depends on you. Okay, then I just click on check. So now we start with the text. Okay, then I've inputted the text. Then I pick a font. I want to size it up. Okay, I want to size it up. Then I pick a font. Okay, I pick a font. Okay, I'm picking this, as you can see. Then I give it a color, as you can see. Now you can decide to increase it. You can see. Okay. So more text, you can just copy, then just edit double. Okay. See, then I change the font. Okay. Okay, I think I'll go with that. Then I just click OK. You can see, then I can just decide to move this a bit here. Then I'll just decide a bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make this white. Okay, just search for color, then pick white. Okay, then come to the stroke, then just select. Okay, you can see what I chose. Okay, that's just it. Then just adjust it. Okay, now that is done. Then I want to bring in the tag. Okay. Okay, I brought in the tag, then now you come to this tab where erase color, then just enable. You can see, then you can just increase the tolerance. Okay, I think we're good. So now you can just make it straight up, reduce the size, then I want to make this white. Just click on color, enable, and pick white. You can see. Okay, so I'm going to come to emboss here. I want to change the kind of the setting. Okay, I reduce the intensity. I want it to be some. This is what I'm trying to achieve. Okay, you can see. Okay, so that's it. So now I put in the brand logo. Okay, I have it already, so I'm just gonna check it up here. Okay, here is it. I just click on it. Okay, then I check and reduce it. Okay, then I give it white coloring. No, I think red will be great. Let me make it red. Then I just come here. You can see. Okay, amazing. Okay, so now I want to bring in the food in question. Okay, let me search through. Okay, here is it. This is making me somewhat hungry. So what we just do is, okay, sorry, I have to pick that again. Same thing, just click on the plus icon. Okay, I will provide everything in the description box. Okay, how you go about it. So I just want to, okay, here is it. I just click on it, but I want it to be in a circular form. You can see it like a circular shape here. If you look, I'm clicking on it, you're gonna see some red outline. So I just click on it, then check. Then I just want to make it a kind of big circle. Then I want to centralize it around this place, as you can see. Okay, I want to move this a bit down. Okay, I think it's too close. Okay, so this is it. Don't forget, if you find this interesting, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so afterward, then I want to on the shadow actually makes the flyer look fantastic, so I enable it. So I increase my radius, then the offset, I make the settings. Okay, and I move it around so it's get what I want. Okay, don't make it too much. Okay, I think this is cool. Then I can just decide to come to my stroke and just stroke it up. You can see, yeah, you can see. Okay, then you just click on check when you're done. So now the order, now I want to make another text, to just write it up. Order, then you can just pick a font. Okay, you can just pick a font up. Okay, let's just pick a font. Okay, I'll go with this. Okay, then let's see, I'm gonna pick red, white. Okay, let's just change the stroke to red. Okay, you can see, you can decide to give it some spacing here, okay, you can see. Then I just tilt it. Okay, I just tilt it. Okay, then I can just duplicate and write now. Okay, now, okay, instead of red, I can just change up the stroke to give it a bit of another type of color. You can see. Okay, let's check for something lighter. Okay, I think this is cool. Okay, so then you can just input the icon for address. Okay, here we go. I have some icons for phone, then I just click on it. Okay, so you can easily come to the erase color, so it's going to remove the background. As you can see, just increase the tolerance, make sure you don't overdo it. Okay, then afterwards come to color, then you can pick your preferred color. Okay, I'm going with white. Okay, white. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I can stretch it if I want. Okay, I think this is too much. It's too much. Okay. So it depends on you. You can just do the settings, then you can just input the number or whatever. Okay, you just input the number. Okay, so you can just pick. Also, you can change the font. Okay. I think this is good. This is good stuff. Okay, so also maybe if the person has some social media handle, so you can just check it up. As you can see, here is one here. Then just click on check. Same thing I did. If you want to erase the color, just come to erase color. Then okay, that's basically it. Then I want to change the color to white. Then come to color. Then I just pick up white. Okay, so then I can just reduce the size. Okay, as you can see, you can reduce it a little bit more. Okay, you can see. So if the person has a, you can just write up. Okay, changing. Okay, so you can just pick up the font to make it look nicer. Okay, so you can just pick up the font here. Okay, I think this is cool. Then just move it. Okay. Okay, see, that's basically it. Our flyer is ready. So when you're done, you can just save up your work. Thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Make sure to subscribe to get more amazing content like this and lots more. And if you find this video interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.